So here's your tips for new beginner welders. First off, what you want to do, this is for MIG version. Find yourself a chunk of steel. I'm using this not very thick stuff, but it's fairly smooth and already grinded up nice. So rip over to your welder. You only turn your gas on, you're about 1/4 to 1/2 a turn on your gas, and make sure that you're standing off to the side of your regulators or like your gauges there. Hook your ground up to the table, basically get your MIG gun. And it's hard because I'm doing this with one hand only. Okay, flip your welder on. So you'll hear it giving her there on the on. I'm set at about 18 volts and 249 wire speed. So I think I'll want to turn the wire speed down a little bit just to begin, just to get going off the bat. And so now basically, really the first thing to remember is wire is going to come out of the end of your gun. Basically, don't be scared of it and just lay down and try to start laying that. I'll try to set up a good, kind of hard with one hand, but there, can you see the piece of metal? Yeah. Okay, perfect. So I'll just kind of do a practice one here. You can see it kind of spark away. And you're just going to want to go at about a 45, like that, about. Make sure that your welding helmet's turned on. Once that's turned on, you go at about a 45. You want to stay fairly close to your thing, you're going to get prosperity. And you just give her the beans. That wasn't a very good one. I think I have her turned down too low is what went on. So from then on, you just go and not be scared of it and stuff like that. It's going to be hot. I'm not wearing gloves, so I need to turn up the volts is what happened there. You notice how it's sticking out of the thing. It's not, so the volts need to be cranked up a little. I'm at about 22 volts now. We'll give her another try. There we go.